Hello, we are Incheon International High School students, and our team name is Cheerleader. We try to seek a solution to prevent lead poisoning. Lead poisoning refers to excessive human exposure to lead. We started to concern of this problem after knowing that the urethane track of the schools which we graduated has been replaced because of the lead poisoning controversy. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation has estimated that in 2015, 500,000 died and the world lost 9.3 million disability-adjusted life years because of the long-term lead exposure effects. If exposed to lead materials in prolonged periods, people can be related to anemia, reproductive dysfunction, hearing loss, blindness, quadriplegia, mental disorder caused by brain damage, and even death.
We decided to target the impairment of lead poisoning in Chicago. It was found in water pollution over 73 times the lead, the baseline value in schools. There are three main reasons why lead poisoning occurs. The first is air pollution. People are exposed to lead poisoning by inhaling air that contains lots of lead. The second is lead poisoning through contact. Young children in particular seldom touch anything the toys or the rusty iron that are covered with old paints. So children who have fast metabolism are easily exposed to lead poisoning. The third is water pollution. As drinking water passes through an old water-covered pipe, it mixed with lead. Because they are replaced regularly, there are neglected water pipes and faucets in the slums. Among these reasons, we try to solve the drinking water problem. A rusted water pipe is a problem, but it is expensive to reinstall all the pipes. So we try to solve the problem by installing a filter that removes the rust from the faucet.
We found a chemical substance which can decompose lead. It is hydroxyl radical. It is eco-friendly and harmless to humans. First, we thought about adding a hydroxyl radical sterilizer into showers. However, it is too expensive for low-income people. The second idea was purifying apartment water tanks, but it's no use since purified water might pass through rusted pipes again on its way to each household. And the third idea was coating pipes with hydroxyl radical. Unfortunately, its surface isn't wide enough to purify big enough volumes of water. Through previous failures, finally we came up with a hydroxyl radical coated board. A hydroxyl radical coated board is low cost and wide enough to purify greater volumes of water. Furthermore, the usage is simple since people only need to put the hydroxyl radical coated board on their faucets.
Then from now on, let's look at our idea. This paper and plastic file are the existing board, and this blue paint is the hydroxyl radical that removes lead in water. After removing the lead, hydroxyl radical is reduced to water and oxygen, so it is harmless for humans.
This hydroxyl radical coated board is installed in the faucet post, and when you tap the water, the lead is removed by reaction between the water with lead and the hydroxyl radical. And hydroxyl radical is reduced to water and oxygen, so purified water flows. Then we can drink clean water without lead.